Hi guys, my name is George and today I'll be teaching you guys how to cut a fabric to make for masks. So for this you would need a fabric, either a pen or a pencil, a scissors, and a plate that measures around 10 inches. It can be smaller than 10 inches, but it cannot be larger than 10 inches because the fabric is a 10 by 10. So after you've got all your material, make sure that you flip the fabric on its underside and then place the plate on top of the fabric and make sure to match it. Never use a Sharpie as it will damage the plate and the Sharpie mark will stay. So I decided to use a pen because you can see it more, but a pencil will also work. So once you have the pen, just trace the outline of the plate all around the fabric. If you decide to use a 10-inch plate, make sure that you're not drawing on your desk as the deviation might be a little bit off. So after you've done tracing, it should look like this. It should be a perfect circle because of the circular shape of the plate. And cut carefully on the outline of the fabric. I'll speed it up for you guys, but you should take around 1 to 2 minutes to cut the whole fabric if you're really careful. Your end product should look something like this, and as neat as this, or maybe even neater. After you're done cutting this circle, fold it right to left or left to right to make a semicircle. What I am doing right now is I'm making sure everything lines up so when I cut it, I can make the perfect portions. After you've got everything lined up, fold it left to right or right to left again. You should have something that looks like a piece of a pie and similar to the shape on the video. And then we're going to cut it. The technique you're trying to use here is that you're using one scissors blade and forcing it to the right while holding down the fabric. This is to make sure that everything is perfectly aligned so you have two equal portions. Do it the same method for both of them. And another tip to remember is that the curvy part should always be on the left and the straight part should always be on the right and bottom. After you have done all these steps, you should end up with this. You should have 4 different portions and they should all be identical.